Whoa. Will this thing feed that? Oh, look how beautiful. Is that a red-tailed hawk? With my busy life as it is, picked up bird watching. Introducing the Humbirdy. And what's that? It's an AI bird feeder, 4K Ultra. You know what it does? It captures these little guys on video right before they poop on your car, and you can be less mad when you see how cute they are and how close up you see how they eat. So what are some of the features? 8 megapixels, photo and video, slow motion playback, over 10,000 bird AI recognitions, easy installation. And this is really exciting because my kids and myself are gonna like this. You know why? Because we like birds. And also, I hear owls and hawks around too. It would be pretty cool if they could eat from that. So maybe I'll put some like raw meat on this so I get the real birds I'm looking for. Let's see what's inside the box. Ow, my finger. On. Okay, nice snug. These are for my little birds. They wait their turn before they feed. It's okay. Here, birdies. Birdies. Not bad. Blends right in my yard. I hear the birds chirping. We just gotta see if any come. That's where the camera comes in. So now we're gonna go ahead and download the app, pair it with that, and then we can just chill inside your house, waiting for birds. Is it in 4K? You see a mirror within a mirror within a mirror within a mirror. Overall, I'd say this thing is durable and sturdy. Bird feeder stocked, the birds are chirping, and I'm excited to see what we capture. If you're interested in this, see the link in the description. And if I capture any birds between now and the time I'm editing this video, I will be sure to add it in and tell you exactly what kind of bird it is, of course. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.